Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is might. Here's a picture of what might happen with the weather. Here is might in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Might means it is used to express possibility. Might. Past progressive, none. Past, might. Present progressive, none. Present, may. Future, might. Interesting. Past and future are the same. Let's build a sentence. It might. Today, we will use the future tense, even though it's the same as the past, but you will see. Let's build a sentence. It might, what? What might happen? It might rain. Might is a verb that is very often used in the English language. Might is the past tense and future tense form of may. Because it is both tenses, it is used to talk about what could possibly happen or happened in the past. Say something is true, although not very likely. For politeness, to politely introduce something or someone. An example, this tiny plant might hold the secret to curing cancer in the future. Let's build a sentence. It might rain. How? How might it rain? It might rain hard. Hard means a lot. Let's build a sentence. It might rain hard. Where? Where might it rain? It might rain hard in Sao Paulo. Let's build a sentence. It might rain hard in Sao Paulo. When? When might it rain? This afternoon. Ooh. Let's build a sentence. It might rain hard in Sao Paulo this afternoon. What? What should you do? So remember your umbrella. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you all enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.